Ah, you got chunks of banana.
Oh god.
That was so gross. Chunks in it. Ew. It looks like shit. Ashley, from here, it looks like shit.
No.
Is this a white turd?
You see the spit next to it?
I can't see it on the camera, but that's so gross.
Get up close and personal.
You still can't see it. Oh, the banana looks like a big old rock.
How was it?
Your teeth are just...